What's going on, guys? It's Joe Metlo with Next Level Auto Detail, and it was time for a microfiber rehaul for me. I placed an order with Autofiber, and we got our box here, and we're gonna do an unboxing video, show you guys what I got. Kind of just hang out with me today. There's no specific purpose of the video. Autofiber makes a lot of cool stuff. I'm a big fan of their coating applicator pad. I'm also a big fan of the quadrant coating removal towel. I haven't done a coating installation without those two, and it just makes the application process a lot easier with them being numbered. So Autofiber makes a lot of cool stuff, a lot of neat solutions for detailers. They're kind of a microfiber innovation, so they make a lot of cool stuff over there. So I ordered a lot of stuff that I already know and love, and I also placed an order for towels that I haven't really used yet, so we're gonna see what they bring to the table. So I got some of these, the Mr. Everything. I haven't used this towel yet. It says it's a premium microfiber detailing towel made with ultrafine 70/30 yarn. The microscopic fibers do not cause micromarring or on soft paint surfaces like most lower quality microfiber. So this is a 16 by 16 70/30, and it's a 390 GSM. So this is a pretty good towel. I would use something like this probably for coating removal because it's a low nap towel. So yeah, that's what I would use this Mr. Everything for. Or you could obviously use it for interior purposes, wheels, something of that nature. So got a 10-pack of the gray. These have been one of my favorite microfiber towels that I've been using now for a while. Me, my dad, and my brother, we absolutely love them. And the reason why we like them so much is the versatility. And it's the Elite. It's a 2-pile microfiber towel, and you could use this towel literally for anything. It's a jack of all trades, master of none, and it just does everything really, really well. So this is extremely effective for coating removal, wax removal, polish removal. It's also a pretty good detail spray towel, a final white towel. It's just extremely versatile, and like I said, it does all those things extremely well, especially with coating leveling, and polish removal. So it's just very, very effective. We've been using these pretty much for everything, so it's a staple in my shop. Let's read the description. A jack of all trades. Look at that. I didn't even know that it said that. That's pretty funny. See, it's literally a jack of all trades. A jack of all trades detailing cloth featuring a high pile side for quick detail sprays, coating, wax removal, dusting, and finish work, with a low pile side for wiping away residue for cleaning glass. The ultrasonic cut edge design and ultrafine microfibers provide a scratch-free result. So basically, before I read the description, you know, we pretty much nailed it. This towel really does it all. So obviously, I'm a big fan of the Elite edgeless towels. It could be used for everything, and that's pretty much my favorite detailing towel right now that I use pretty much more than any other towel. So this is new. I've never used this. It's the Detailer's Delight. It's a heavyweight microfiber towel, and this specific towel is supposed to be designed specifically for detail spray application, and these are pretty expensive. The fact that you only get 3, but that's why I only placed an order for 1. I wanted to see how I like them and how they perform before we go ahead and place a bigger order. But yeah, this is a really nice towel. What's the GSM? It's 550 GSM. I got the edgeless version. You can get the one with satin borders if you do want that. Yeah, but this is an edgeless towel, and yeah, I definitely see how this is pretty much gonna be an Elite detail spray towel. I also love dual pile towels, double-sided towels, and the fact that it has a short nap, I like that a lot. So you could saturate with the fluffy side, turn it around to the short nap side, buff off, and then have your secondary towel like the Royal Plush and buff away any last residual streaks. So yeah, I am impressed with this towel so far. Hopefully it offers good performance. I know it will. Autofiber makes good stuff. We got the Korean Plush 350. It's just the edgeless Korean towel that everybody knows and loves. This is the 350 GSM variant, and I like these towels a lot. I've been using these for a while now as well, and You know, this is another versatile towel. Detail spray, wax removal. In all reality, I actually prefer the edgeless towel, the Elite edgeless towel over these guys. Being that these not only are cheaper, but that's not the only reason I like them. I'm not one to cheap out when it comes to performance. Performance over everything, no matter what the cost is. But like I said, these just hold up a lot better, and you get a lot of bang for your buck for your initial investment. Especially with all these edgeless towels, sooner or later they are going to start to lint, no matter what. It's kind of inevitable, and you know, we all dread that day when a towel becomes a linter. It's a sad day for a microfiber towel. So like I said, these really don't lint. You wash them, they're pretty affordable, and you get a lot of bang for your buck. And like I said, the performance is on point. Okay, that's the Mr. Everything towel. We went over that. And this is, again, another Elite edgeless. I asked Ian from Autofiber. I asked him if I was going crazy and if I have two of the same towels but they're different colors. I told him that sometimes they would feel different. They would feel different from the two colors, like say the gray and the blue. And I asked him, am I going crazy? And Ian actually told me that no, it's actually part of the dye. The certain amount of dye that uses to make the color of the towel could affect the way that it feels. So if you guys did notice that, you're not crazy. It does alter the way the towel feels, which is very ironic and weird. So yeah, we got another Elite, and the gray, I like the way the gray feels out of all the colors. The gray is like on the money, pretty sweet. This is an awesome towel. My favorite detailing towel of all time, hands down. Okay, we got another Mr. Everything in pink. That way we could color code them. So we could use one for coating leveling. For the second or third towel, they're edgeless. So this actually feels pretty similar to the quadrant towel. I have to ask Ian if there is some kind of similarities, because these actually feel pretty equivalent to the coating leveling towel, the quadrant. So we'll ask Ian. But yeah, this would be a really kick-ass coating removal towel. I've never used the Mr. Everything, so we'll find out. We got some coating applicator pads. These are the suede. I like using these for glass specifically, headlights, things like that. You guys seen me use the coating applicator pad, the big block. This is just a smaller size. This is nice when you're going around edges, tighter cars, tighter areas, when you need to be a little bit more specific. You can also do the whole entire car with it with no problems. I do it all the time. I'm a big fan of the coating applicator pad. All right, I don't know what towel this is because there's no tag on it. Yeah, I don't know the name of this guy. Again, it's dual pile. I'm a big fan of dual pile towels. I like flipping them over. And these are just some shop towels, some all-purpose towels. Want to try them out. And guess what? They feel pretty good. It just goes to show you that even though this is like an all-purpose towel, this is called a shop rag, this is still good enough for paint, absolutely. So I would call this like a higher quality Costco towel. Feels soft, and yeah, you could absolutely put this on paint. I wouldn't put this on paint without any hesitation. So again, just some all-purpose towels. All-purpose towels are important so you don't mess up your quality towels. Remember that. You gotta have workhorse towels, workhorse pads. You gotta have all that stuff to preserve. And we got another Elite edgeless pack. Obviously, these are my favorite towels, so I ordered the most of these. If you guys want to see any of these towels showcased, if you guys want to see me testing any of these towels, leave it in the comment section below. I'm working on a lot of content right now. I'm just very lazy when it comes to YouTube, especially all the time it takes in the editing and filming process, and you kind of have to make an entertaining story in 10 minutes, and you have so much footage. So it's definitely challenging, but I enjoy doing it. So we have lots of new content coming up. Make sure you're subscribed if you aren't already. Like always, I will see you in the next one, and thank you for watching.